Introducing the all-new 2022 Suzuki Ignis 1.2 Dualjet Hybrid Sz-t 5-door in sleek black. Packed with top-of-the-line features like Bluetooth, MP3 connection, and remote audio controls, this hatchback offers both convenience and style. With safety features such as ABS, multiple airbags, and parking assistance, you can drive with peace of mind. Not only does this vehicle come with luxury interior trim and privacy glass, but it also includes a powertrain warranty and tyre repair kit. Plus, it has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check and is serviced to manufacturer specification. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Call us today or visit our website at windsor.ie for more information on this fantastic Suzuki Ignis. Drive away in style and comfort with a comprehensive warranty today